Hey there, newcomers. Welcome to Ontario. If you're looking to hit the road, you're gonna need to exchange your international driver's license. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, you need to go through the G1 process. That means passing a written test about road signs and rules. It's simple and straightforward, so no stress. Once you've got your G1, you're ready for the next step. Here's the deal. With your international license, you get one chance to pass the G road test. This test checks your advanced driving skills. If you nail it, congrats. You've got your full G license, but what if you don't pass? No worries. You'll then need to go for the G2 road test. This is an intermediate stage where you're still learning, but you have more driving freedom than with a G1. To move from G2 to G, you don't have to wait and can take the G road test right away. Quick tip: practice, practice, practice. And maybe consider some driving lessons tailored to Ontario's roads. Remember, every step is a learning experience. Stay calm, stay focused, and soon enough you'll be cruising down the 401 like a pro. Thanks for watching and drive safe. If you need any help, you can check our channel Driving Tips for Success for more videos.